Hey! So you're looking for a way to generate some good income online, right from the comfort of your home. Well, we've got some exciting information to share with you. How about instant 100% commissions? No monthly fees and pays daily straight into your account. Are you generating instant cash on a day-to-day basis? If not, you need to watch this entire video. Now, I'm not telling you to stop doing what you're doing, but I'm sure you're going to want to add this as an additional income stream after you get all the details. Staying excited while trying to make money on the internet can be quite difficult, right? Especially if the company that you're working with only pays you weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or whatever kind of pay schedule they have. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, but many times we're finding that we need money today, but our commissions are like days and even weeks or months away. So lucky for you, we've got access to a powerful system that's going to fix that problem. So if you're looking for a lucrative way to get paid instantly on the internet, then you've landed on the right video. You see, when we first started marketing online, we struggled big time. You name the company, we were in it. We loved the products and we loved the services they promoted, but the cash flow was just very minimal. For example, if we sold a product today, we would only get a very small percentage of the profit. And we wouldn't get that commission until weeks or even months down the road. I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. It was extremely difficult to stay motivated, so we jumped from company to company, basically experiencing the same things that we did in the previous ones. Sound familiar? We didn't start having breakthroughs in our online business until we actually found out how to market effectively online. Plus, how to generate daily cash flow. You have daily expenses, right? Well, then you're going to need daily cash flow to make it easier to reach your goals. Imagine getting paid instantly selling digital products on the top marketing methods and strategies that are working on and off the internet today. Did you know that 97% of people in this industry are struggling big time because they simply don't know what to do? What if you had a solution that can help them and you got paid for it? How many sales could you make if you got $100 instantly, giving people access to top-notch training, tools, resources, and support? I'm sure your income will explode. And remember, with this system, every day's payday. Making sense? By now you should be able to see how this system can really help you too, to make a lot of money, giving you the ability to earn instant 100% commissions on a day-to-day basis. And all you have to do is just share what every marketer needs. Now on the next page, you're going to see exactly how the system works and how you can take advantage of it starting today with the ability to actually get paid today. Click the button below to get all the details. It is possible to get cash deposits every single day. And all you have to do is just get started. We'll see you inside this amazing system.